The aftermath of a hurricane season is never easy. The most recent notable hurricane, Milton, left over 3 million homes and businesses without power, and many houses were destroyed. However, life keeps going. So, what do we do next as a community? As communities, especially in hurricane-prone areas like Florida, grapple with the immediate consequences, the focus must be on ensuring safety and stability. Safety is paramount, so coordinating with emergency services and communicating with residents about available resources and shelters is critical. These initial actions lay the groundwork for a more comprehensive recovery plan, ensuring that the community can begin to heal and rebuild with confidence. Once immediate safety concerns are addressed, a more thorough assessment of the damage is necessary. This involves professional inspectors and restoration experts who can evaluate structural damage, financial implications, and legal responsibilities. It is essential for homeowners associations and condo boards to prioritize repairs that are critical for the safety and functionality of the community. Compliance with local codes and laws must be ensured during this process. By addressing these aspects, the community can begin to restore not only its physical structures, but also the trust and security of its residents, paving the way for a more resilient future. Recovery from a hurricane is only half the battle. With the increasing risks posed by climate change, proactive preparation becomes the community's best defense. Upgrade emergency kits with essential supplies like non-perishable food, water, medications, and backup power sources, refreshing them every 6 months. Create a community network to share resources and skills, assigning roles like communication lead and safety checker. Develop an emergency contact list for residents, noting those with special equipment or licenses. If you don't know where to start, you can also use our emergency plan template. Click on the link in the description to access. Advocate for storm-resistant infrastructure and practice emergency drills to ensure everyone is prepared for the next storm. Building resilience is about more than physical repairs. It's about strengthening the community's fabric. Share knowledge at community meetings and learn from past experiences by documenting what worked and what didn't during the last storm. Encourage local leaders to invest in storm-ready infrastructure, such as improved drainage systems and renewable energy grids. By creating a comprehensive community plan that includes evacuation routes and resource lists, you transform vulnerability into unity. This collaborative approach ensures that even in the face of future hurricanes, the community stands together, stronger and more prepared than ever before. In the journey toward recovery and resilience, technology plays a crucial role. Tools like Neigbrs by Vinteum empower communities by streamlining communication, simplifying financial recovery processes, and providing a secure hub for emergency plans. Imagine reaching every resident in seconds or managing recovery budgets with ease. This isn't just about technology, it's about creating a lifeline for your community. Together, you can turn hardship into hope, proving that even the fiercest storms can't shake a prepared community. Remember, it's about we, not me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you next time.